Is it time to buy or sell OKTA stock? In this video, we will delve into OKTA. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 26th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more in-depth analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 26th of August, 2025, our system has classified OKTA as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.87. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently shows no change, with a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock currently rests within the midst of a significantly broad and declining trend in the short term, suggesting further decreases ahead. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential negative change of approximately 12.1% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 17.57% to positive 5.91%. Examining the longer term, our analysis over the course of 12 months suggests a projected change of 32.69%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 30.42% and 98% over the next year. In current terms, this would imply a future price somewhere between $119.42 and $181.29. Our latest daily update for OKTA includes the headline, OKTA stock upgraded to hold accumulate. The OKTA stock price experienced an increase of 0.23% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 26th of August 2025. The price rose from $91.35 to $91.56. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.84%, reaching a low of $90.81 and a high of $93.39. Although the price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, it is still up by 2.5% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 3 million more shares traded than the day before, leading to a total of 9 million shares exchanged for approximately $799,003,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $127.57, while the lowest price was $70.56. Currently, the price is 28.23%, or $36.01, below the 52-week high, and 68.86%, or $202.44, below the all-time high reached on the 12th of February, 2021, when the price peaked at $294. OKTA reported strong second quarter results, surpassing earnings per share and revenue expectations. The company achieved earnings of $0.91 per share compared to estimates around $0.84, and this is an increase from $0.72 just a year ago. Additionally, OKTA has raised its full-year revenue and profit outlook. Management emphasized accelerating customer acquisitions, the adoption of new products, strength in the public sector, and momentum from Auth0, while noting that economic conditions were better than we thought. The company attributes this to a significant rise in demand for identity tools as organizations work to protect themselves from AI-driven attacks. Analysts suggest that this is driving upgrades and even renewed discussions about acquisitions in the cybersecurity sector. In the short term, the positive earnings, raised guidance, and optimistic comments are likely to encourage further growth as traders pursue momentum and analysts adjust their targets upward. However, broader market volatility or any decline in government spending could temper this rally. Over the long term, ongoing AI-driven identity needs and successful product execution could support stable revenue growth and higher multiples. Nonetheless, competition, mergers and acquisitions among peers, and execution risks will play a crucial role in determining how sustainably OKTA can seize these opportunities. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 28th of May, 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned OKTA an outperform rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 28th of May, 2025, it was reported that Roth Capital assigned OKTA a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 28th of May, 2025, it was reported that Westpark Capital assigned OKTA a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 28th of May, 2025, it was reported that JMP Securities assigned OKTA a market perform rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 28th of May, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned OKTA a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to OKTA stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. When it comes to return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as neutral. The following signals have been identified for OKTA. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 11th of August, 2025, and so far, it has risen 3.45%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered to be a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near short-term development. The OKTA stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Simultaneously, the long-term average shows a general sell signal. As the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a general sell signal for the stock, suggesting a more negative outlook. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $93.91. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $91.19. A breakthrough above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a decline below the short-term average will add an additional sell signal and reinforce the overall negative outlook. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 12 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 9 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 14 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 15 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal from 56 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 47 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for OKTA. OKTA finds support from accumulated volume at $91.35, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock typically experiences moderate movements throughout the day, and with healthy trading volume, the associated risk is viewed as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $2.58 between its high and low, representing a change of 2.84%. In the past week, it has shown an average daily volatility of 3.09%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for OKTA, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high price-to-earnings ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it is not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 26th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 84 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for OKTA. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for OKTA is at $101.10. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a critical level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, OKTA encounters its first support level at $91.35. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for OKTA from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On August 19, 2025, Choi Emily conducted an insider purchase of 1,213 shares of Class A common stock. On August 19, 2025, Choi Emily also conducted an insider sale of 1,213 shares of restricted stock units. On August 13, 2025, Wilderotter Mary Agnes conducted an insider purchase of 5,826 shares of restricted stock units. On August 13, 2025, Shell Hayes David also conducted an insider purchase of 5,826 shares of restricted stock units. On August 13, 2025, Wilderotter Mary Agnes conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 12.727. Overall, insiders purchased 219,448 shares and sold 284,270 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $86.38, reflecting a decline of 5.66%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 11 days ago. Is OKTA stock a good buy? OKTA demonstrates several positive signals. However, we do not consider these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At its current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting to hold or accumulate while waiting for further developments. Our analysis has been upgraded since the last assessment, moving from a sell recommendation to a hold candidate. Following an analysis of volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 27th of August, we anticipate that OKTA will open higher by 36 cents, starting the day at $91.92. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Do not base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.